we will be doing multiplication of 2 into 2. 2 into 2 multiplication, we will be learning crisscross method. Which method?
Crisscross method.
Crisscross method. In crisscross method, you will have 3 steps to do, right? How many steps you have in crisscross method? 3 steps, right? So what is the first step, right? First is you have to draw, right? To understand, right? You have to draw 2 circles, okay? How to draw 2 circles? You just see, I'll be showing you on the... Are you able to see the Word document?
Sir.
Yes. So you 0, 2, we are doing 2 into 2 multiplication, Anant. Right?
Yes, sir.
So let's say it is this is the sum 2 into 2. ऊपर 2 numbers रहेंगे, नीचे 2 रहेंगे. ऊपर वाले को क्या कहते हैं हम? What do we call this? Tell me.
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand. What is the spelling of multiplicand? Galat.
M-U-L-T-I
A-N-T-cant. Very good. The next one is called as?
Multiplier.
Very good. Thank you. Very good. And the result of this is called as?
Product.
Very good. Now you have to remember this. Now, first crisscross methods, step 1. What is step? Wait, you just listen. Whenever I ask, please answer, right? Because you need to first understand. This is how you have to do the sum also. Step 1. Step 1 is units into units. Okay. Step 2. First, let us write the formula. Then later on, we'll solve the sum. Step 2. Step 2 is cross. C-R-O-S is cross. Cross. That means that is tens of multiplicand into tens of tens of multiplicand into units of M-U-L-T-I-P-I-L-E-R. No, Anant. Problem with you is first learn from others, then implement. Not in as parallelly, right? You are learning, right? I know you know it. Very good. I know you are aware of it. But when you are learning, listen, right? Right? Plus, now this will come in bracket. Actually, you have to write in bracket so that confusion will not come, right? Okay. Plus, next is, now we have done tens. Now multiplicand units, U-N-I-T-S, units of multiplicand into now tens of multiplier. Now this also should be in bracket. Anant, your movement will distract your attention. Right? Step 2. Now what is step 3? I'll tell. Step 3 is tens into tens. Okay. Now, if carried word numbers are there, then add them in any step. For example, step 1 में carry 12 आया answer. So 2 carry 1 होता है ना? So this is note. Okay. This is how it will be. Now, picture it. I'll show you with the picture presentation, how it is done. First is 0, 0, step 1, right? 0, 0. Insert. Step 1, able to see the arrow, Anant?
Yes, sir.
That is step 1, right? Now, what is the step? Just to, because not to forget, if you want to practice, you can also practice like this. Step 1, draw. Pictorial presentation also you can practice, right? What is step 2? Step 2 is again go to design, not design, insert, go to shapes, take an arrow. So it should be from this to this place, one arrow, okay? And plus, go to again design, insert, go to shapes, take one more, and it neck this into this, right? Clear, Anant?
Step 1, unit into unit.
Step 1 is unit into unit. Step 2, pictorial cross, right? It's cross. Generally, how do you write cross from this here, this? How do you write cross? You should actually write cross. Do you have a cross here? Cross is written like this. See the cursor, like this. From here to here, go up and then cut. That's how cross is written. So it's called, that's the reason it's called cross. Now, third step, I know a little slow, Anant, but if you're going wrong, we have to start from the basics. This. Now, what is the third step? Go to insert, go to shapes, take the arrow, and this. So this is how you have to do. First step is unit into unit, your written up step. Second step is cross this plus this, right? Third step is 10 into tens. This is crisscross, right? Which step is this? For which?
Crisscross.
Name is not important, but it's better if you remember crisscross method. Okay? Crisscross method. So now we'll try to use this crisscross method and do some sums. I'm sorry. Do some sums. Okay, Anant? So what was the sum I've given? Now what you need to do is first look what I am doing. Copy the same in your system. First question was 15 into 15. Now what answer you have written, I don't know. But how it should be done? First, it should be written as step 1. In your book, you have to write like this. Actually, you write on the next, right? Step 1. Don't write, wait. I'll give you time to write. Right? Don't be in a hurry. Step 1. Step 1 is unit into unit. U for short form unit, right? So here unit is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Now, Anant, see the screen, no work on the paper or book. Leave that. What is the answer? 5 into 5, 25. So, what is getting carried? Anything is getting carried from here? See the screen. Again, you are with the hands, you are doing something. See the screen. 2 and 20, you got 25 answer. So, you write 5 as an answer and 2 is carried to C. Carried to next step. Right? What is happening? Okay, 2 is carried. What is step 2? What is step 2? I'll teach you. Don't just listen.
Yeah.
Step 2 is multiplicand tens, that is 1 into multipliers units. 5 plus 5 Plus what? Multiplicand unit. What is multiplicand unit here? 5 into multiplier tens. Again, you are not playing or seeing. Two things are happening. Don't do that. Focus on the screen. Now, Anand, you see there is some mistake here. You see step 2, we have done wrong. In mathematics, we follow Bodoma, right, method. Do you know that? First comes bracket, then comes this. I'll teach you later, don't worry. This should always be second step. It should be in brackets. Did I write in the brackets in the formula also? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 5 into 5 plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus plus Baba plus 5 ones are 5. So answer will be 10. Add if you have any CARRID carried. Do you have any carried number, Anand, here? Yes, from step 1 you have. Yes. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Any number is getting carried to next level?
12.
No. 2 will be the written as answer. 1 is getting carried. In 12, 1 is getting carried. Always unit will be not carried, tens will be carried. So 12 में 10 से ना 1 is getting carried. Step 3. What is step 3? Tens into tens. What is tens? 1 into 1. What is the answer? 1 into 1 is 1. Now, answer. How to write the answer? Answer is, first write the Anand. Did you see we missed something? Always when you do any step, you have to check any CARRID carried number. Yes. Do we have any carried number on step 5? Step 2, yes, carried 1, right?
Yes. Step 2 is carried 1.
1 to step 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Now step 2 answer, correct answer of step 2 will be 2. Now, answer for this sum is, write the first number, step 3, from bottom to up numbers. Step 3, what is the number? Answer?
2.
Step 2, what is the answer?
12.
No, we have carried 1. Please be careful. You don't write
2.
You don't write units and tens. You only write single digit. You write only units. So 2.
2.
Right. Step 1, what is the answer?
5.
Yeah, step 1, 25 is answer, but we need 5 because we already carried 2 to the next step 2. इसलिए तो step 2 का number बढ़ा. So this is your final answer. Right? This is how you have to write, Anand, see on the screen. This is how you have to write each sum. Right? See, this, if you want to be like this perfection, first learn to write. The more you write, do mathematics sums, the more it will be. Now tell me, 25 to 25, first step, what is first step? What is first step, Anand?
First step is unit into unit.
25 into 5 into 5, 25. 5, 2 carried. If 2 is carried, write it here. 2 is carried. Right? Next step is cross. Which 2 into 5?
Cross.
2 into 5, that is 10. Plus 5 into 2. 10. 10, 10, 20. 20 plus there is 2 carried. 22. So you write
22.
You write 2 and you carried 2. Right? Now 2 into third step is
Tens into tens.
2 into 2, 4, and carried is 2. So answer is 6. Sorry, not here, I'm sorry. So answer is 6. 620. But to become this best perfect, you are not in 9th, 10th class, right? You have to always do this way, all stepwise. Right? Stepwise, everything should be done stepwise. Once you have practiced with this will be easy, like sir has just done. In a second, he has done it, right? Clear, Anand?
Yes, sir.
Please copy this. And we will